What the fuck, man? Stop sneaking the fuck up on me. I let y'all slide last time. Said, yeah, come on. Come with the journey. But, like, you don't gotta start the video like this every fucking time. You catching me off guard, dropping shit, bro. Made me drop my fucking new Dutch Cream High Hemps. Fucking mess all over the floor. Look, cause y'all sneaking up on me. Enough of that shit now. I'm gonna let y'all come on this journey today while we smoke these high hemps that just came out. These brand new Dutch Cream High Hemps. But next video, you ain't gonna sneak up on me, okay? No more sneaking up. What do we have here? We got the motherfucking Dutch Cream High Hemp Organic Wraps. Vegan, 100% organic hemp, GMO free, 100% tobacco free. That's their Instagram. High Hemp Wraps, let's get it. Now, as some of you may know, high hemps are one of my favorite wraps. Comes with a little bit of CBD in the blunt to elevate your relaxation experience. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll tell you right now, it tears off real good. Better than the rest. Ooh, it's a nice sweet, but not overpowering. Never overpowering. It's a nice sweet, nice smell, almost like vanilla. A little bit of vanilla, maybe. Oh man, this right here is my new favorite already. This right here, my new favorite already. And you know what? I know, I just woke up. This is the wake and bake sesh, so just cut me a break on the, oh, you look bummy. You know what? Fuck off. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Suzanne, whoever the fuck you are. Becky, if you're watching this, fuck off. Mark. Fucking names your kid Mark. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this fucking weed in here. I mean, nah, yeah, it's weed. It's weed, bro. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. This shit weed. This shit some gas. 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 Okay, so let's go ahead and keep putting the gas in the blunt. We're gonna keep putting that gas in the blunt. Oh, nice. Just the perfect amount. Just the perfect amount. That's what I like about these high hemps. They fit just the perfect amount. But you could also stuff them if you want. Stuff them real good if you want. Only if you want. We can put a little bit in there. Whatever you want to do. That's your decision, not mine. Me personally, I like a nice amount. You'll see. Gram or so. Gram or so does the job. Oh, and you know what I like about these? And look, this is something I really like. If you can get your hands on some of these Dutch Cream High Hemps, these just dropped. These are fresh and moist wraps. Perfect for rolling, bro. I don't want to hear nobody talking, no complaints about, oh my god, they're dry. No, they're not. Not these ones, baby. Go pick up a box quick. Go do it. As soon as I seen these, I was getting my normal banana goose, and then next to those bad boys was these, and I said, hold up, let me get the banana goose and those. Licky lick and lick, and your blunts are gonna stick. You gotta lick it like this. Lick it like that. Lickety lick, and you stick the flap. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. 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 Let's. This is to protect the wind. This hand is to protect all the wind that I'm experiencing right now. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's real nice. I like this. I like it a lot. This shit is banger. Banger. These are my new favorites. 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 You smoking on a Dutch Cream High Hemp? Probably not. Probably not. Cause you sleeping. Fuck. You sleep. You sleep. Fucking assholes just sleeping on good products all the fucking time. It's a problem. Just smoke it. It's got some CBD and it's gonna calm you down. I think it just hit right now. Cause I'm calmer than a motherfucker. Oh yeah. As you can see, I didn't use the filtered tip. You know why? Cause I'm bad to the bone. I think. I don't know. What you asking me for? Magic trick time, right? I'm gonna change this Dutch cream into a different flavor. Ready? Before your very own eyes. I'm gonna change it in. 3, 2, 1. And just so y'all know I'm not fucking lying. Dutch cream. Now I'm gonna change it back. I'm gonna change it back. Yeah, baby. Real magic. When you smoke the high hemps, you experience the magic. You experience the magic. Smoke high hemp. High hemp. Experience the magic. High hemp. Experience the magic. Let me just go ahead and say this. This is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. I just like these things. I like these things. I'm fucking bored. And I smoke so much weed that I might as well film myself doing it. Do you got a problem with that, Suzanne? Because I thought I already addressed you. So these are 100% organic. These are 100% natural product. You can literally find these growing on trees outside. If you go out there deep enough into the woods, you will see high hemps growing off of fucking trees. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us, okay? We that natural. What's your favorite? Listen, I need to know right now. This isn't up for debate. I'm trying to fit into the frame. We're getting a new camera soon, so don't worry about that bullshit. But yeah, what's your favorite motherfucking flavor of high hemp? Because mine is now probably Dutch cream. Dutch cream, banana goo. I like the hydro lemonade. Maui mango banger. Maui mango banger. What you know about me, son? You know what I mean? Fuck do you know about me? Yeah, bro. Long story short, the high hemp Dutch cream is the way to go. My bro. Smoke it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.